What should I eat today? What should I work on today? What clothes should I wear? What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Next Gen Ecom episode number 4. Today I want to talk about decision making, because every single day people are making tens and thousands of decisions. Each single individual. What should I eat? What should I wear? What should I work on? There's so many different decisions that you make every single day, whether it's something that's big or something as minuscule as, should I walk that way or the other way? So every single day we're making all these decisions, and I feel like a lot of people don't allow themselves to prioritize their own decisions, and they sort of just do what their subconscious tells them to do. But what I do every single day, like I tell you guys, I've told about this multiple times, I write down every single thing that I want to accomplish for a day every single morning. And the reason why I do that and I write down my goals is because it allows me to understand, what's most important to me today. What do I really need to get done? And then I'm gonna figure out what needs to be done, how I'm going to achieve that, and then doing it. Instead of making, decisions like, what should I wear? I know you guys know that I just wear like this very basic stuff all the time, and the reason is because it's easy. I feel comfortable in it, which is one good thing. You don't want to go out feeling uncomfortable. I feel like that's the worst feeling, going out somewhere and feeling uncomfortable in your own clothes. So I wear the same thing every day. My Gucci slides, my black shorts, and my black shirt. It differentiates. Sometimes I can dress up if I need to, but these are just micro decisions that I plan ahead of time, and being comfortable and not having to figure out what clothes to wear or what am I going to work on. Instead of just sort of letting my mind freelessly aim towards different things, I know exactly what I'm going to do, when I'm going to do it, and how I'm going to do it. So once I have all those things already organized, then my decisions are already made and I know what to do, and then I'm going to have to make a million other different decisions, but to achieve those main things that I need to get done. So prioritize your decisions, guys. Don't just aim towards random things without an actual objective, all right? So that's it for this one. It was a short one, I know. I'm gonna see you tomorrow for a good one. We're gonna be going over several different things that have to do with e-commerce and scaling. So I will see you there. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.